Let's talk about these weak, unregulated brokers, bro.
Honestly, that's crazy. I seen somebody posted a screenshot of who goes with not paying them out because of whatever had happened.
About that, like, people don't talk about that. Like, some things went down with PAM accounts that people don't talk about. Like, for instance,
And there's brokers, like there's legitimate brokers out here that will not pay you out, and you got to be careful with these unregulated brokers because they can play you like that, and you won't even know till that time come. You really got to be careful, and that's why I always say always put your money in different baskets. Never put it in one basket because you will never know who's actually going to try to finesse you when you trying to finesse.
Yeah.
But they finessing you instead. Yeah. So that's the crazy part.
Yeah, and then like it's a difference in unregulated and regular brokers, like spread, slippage, you know, all that stuff too. Like, it's a difference, man. Like you say, I've seen it to the point where like you'll trade at a certain session, then you'll see the spread just like increase or like go crazy. So yeah, man, like certain brokers are, you know, it's crazy. They all do the same thing in a sense, you know.
What is slippage to you?
Slippage is like if I'm trying to get in at 1.120 and I got my entry set at 120, I want to get in exactly at that point in time, like true market execution. Slippage is when like you slip me in at 125 and I'm supposed to be at 120. Like I'm 5 points different, you know. So I mean, I don't know what you think about slippage.
That's 100% what I think. I just feel like it's a janky way for brokers to basically say like, oh yeah, we're playing with your money. You know what I'm saying? Without them really saying it, just calling it slippage. It's really a way for them to win.
Yeah, and then like not get you the best price, because I feel like us trying to get the best price, like you said, that's them messing around with that. That's like our job. That's like a big thing, you know.
Oh, yeah.
So like you slipping me down 5 points, that's
right.
That's money.
You trying to buy oil at 85 and they slip you at fucking 80, 90 or something. You're just like, bro, that's like a whole 10. Like, what are you doing? Like, I know exactly, because slippage, bro, it's just another way for brokers to play with you.
So what would you say are the top things that you look for when it comes to moving your capital to a broker? Because you did talk about not having it all in one basket. So if you're not gonna have everything in one basket, how would you go about it? You know.
So for me personally, I will definitely suggest going with like some regulated broker, just because you feel safe some way, but you got high fees to worry about. You got low leverage or whatever. Like the leverage would be like 130, 150 if you try, I think what Forex.com or Wanda, what is it called? Wanda. Onda. Yeah, whatever they call it. It's like you can't really trade certain things, but having your money there is good. Having your money in an unregulated broker is good because you do have a lot of leverage. You know, you can move your money, but it's finding the right one.
Yeah.
That's the key. And then I do believe, like we were just talking about copy trading. I do believe trying to find like a platform where you can do some copy trading, you know, and just let that money be auto. Just put it on auto. Just hit the follow button, let somebody take care of it, and boom, do its thing.
True. Kind
of like with the EA too.
Yeah, set and forget. And it's definitely different. You know, copy trading is different from signals. Because then again, you're not, in a sense, dependent on, like, let's say E's dropping me signals. I'm not dependent on you. Yeah. You know, I'm taking advantage of your trading style without having to wake up every day. And it's an advantage there too. Like, it's a big difference between copy trading and signals, because with signals, let's say you shoot me a signal, you're trading London session, it's 2 a.m., you shoot it to the chat. By the time I get it, it's 210. 210. Right. You know, you
trade already up like 10 points, 10 pips.
I never backed signals whatsoever. So I love copy trading. I think it's a better concept.
Yeah.
It's a better concept in my eyes.
Like, yeah, no, realistically, even though I have a signal platform, I think copy trading is a better way to go, just because and it's another thing too. You just got to make sure you find a profitable trader, you know. But if you can find somebody that's profitable, man, fuck it. Just give them the money.
Yeah.
Just give them the money, because at the end of the day, you know you're going to make some money if you see their track record.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? So I think that's important.
Yeah, this copy trading thing, I feel like it's been around before, but I think it's coming back around just in a new form. Now it's coming back in the form of with brokers. It's attached to brokers now, because like, I may be wrong, but I've seen PAM accounts. You know, PAM accounts is some sense of copy trading. Because you're putting your funds in someone else's hand, letting them trade it. So we've seen what they call PAM accounts, and we're starting to see that come back around as copy trading. So it's interesting. It's all interesting for real. I've seen so many PAM accounts. Like, that's another thing we could talk about. PAM accounts, like, and the truth about that, like, people don't talk about that. Like, some things went down with PAM accounts that people don't talk about. Like, for instance, FX Winning is if you guys don't know about it, check it out. FX Winning was a big I think they're located I forget where they're located. They're not in the US, but long story short, very big. And they had a PAM section to where you can invest with investors. I made a lot of money with them, don't get me wrong. Yeah. But when the MT4 thing went down, the MetaQuotes thing went down, when they switched over, they was affected by that big time. So you had people that had millions of dollars with them that still haven't got their money. But I mean, I stopped using them like a year ago. So I got all my money, but it's still people that haven't got their withdrawals from that PAM account because of like the switch over and all that stuff. So it's crazy, bro.
That is crazy.
And yeah, because a lot of people that have millions of dollars that they are owed, they don't want to talk about it. No, dead serious, bro. I know people to this day that are owed money from FX Winning, but they don't want to talk about it because of the industry we in. But hey, here we are now. We talking about it, you know, and shit, you know, it is what it is. But they're not the only one. FX Winning, you have some other platforms that have the PAM integration, like NVFX.
Yeah.
It's a few different ones. Of course, Sway Markets. So yeah, man, everybody got a PAM account nowadays.
So that's really what it is then, huh? It's just a PAM account?
Just a PAM account.
So I want to talk about this platform right here, Copyrack. So Copyrack is basically a platform of just different traders. And I actually copied from this Russian dude, and I have no idea what the hell the Russian language was. So I just said, fuck it. But I seen his track record. It looked beautiful.
Nice.
So I think we did it, I think I went in on the 27th and 29th of September. And for the first week, I was down bad. I'm just like, this is bad. This is scam. And then now I checked literally yesterday. I was like, oh, we up. All right, cool. So I'm just like, all right, I'm gonna let it run. So like right now, hopefully y'all probably see this when I pop it up. But right now we're up like 400, right? But all I did was just hit a follow button. So I think this is super cool just to put your money out in different avenues like Copyrack or whatever y'all use. But Copyrack, like I said, I'm with them because it's just like a whole platform of just putting your money in and then going from there. Like this is definitely something fire. So I like that.
Nah, I mean, like I say, the whole concept, if you guys haven't checked it out, you've seen it right here live. You know, I mean, me personally tried it. You're seeing E's results now. But, you know, I told you guys before, man, like I still have the data. You know, I just can't pull it up. But showing you guys just hands-free money. It was a PAM account, you know, withdrawing money. I used to pull like $1,500, you know, just every so often just from the account. Like, dude, like, yeah, I mean, I love the idea, you know. I love the idea. It's super dope.
You have no years of trading. You don't even know what the hell fucking double bottom, double top is, but you want to make money.
Yeah.
Would you do EA, copy trading, or bet on yourself?
Copy trading.
Copy trading.
Yeah. Because copy trading, software is good, but like with the software, it's more of like you have your hands on it. You have to set it up. You have to optimize it. You have to do your human touch, right? But when it comes to copy trading, like you said, hey, I'm following this guy. This is my money. That's it. It's nothing to set up. Right. So if you're first beginning, you're not going to want to deal with trying to learn this, set this up, none of that. So copy trade, you don't even have to learn the terms, bro. You can literally just follow a person. And you know, so that would be my preference.
I would say the same thing. Copy trading would be it because, yeah, like you said, it's just a simple follow button. All you got to do is read their track record. It shows look left, you know, that's saying look left, you see all the info. But here you just look at the previous data and you would have pretty much everything. And I feel like as long as you can just get into a computer, put some money in and just hit follow, that's the easiest thing to do to make money. Yeah,
I it's funny because I actually recommend this route to older clients of mine. Like some clients that come in for the software and I'm always transparent with them. I let them know what's up and I say, hey, I think that where you are in your stage, I think that a PAM account or copy trading be best for you. So they'll look at me like, what is that? So I'll break it down to them and show them exactly what you just said. I think you're older, you're not knowledgeable. This is perfect for you. So I definitely guide people in that direction if they're older, you know?
Yeah, facts. What's your top 5 prop firms?
Man, I haven't had any troubles with Funded Trading Plus.
Okay.
I love them. I always get my withdrawals from them. Manual trading. So that's my top one. FTMO, I never had any troubles with them. Nova is up there too, but I wouldn't put them as the top best, you know.
Yeah.
But they, far as convenience and like no troubles, they are definitely up there. I'm trying to think. I don't trade any other prop firms as of now.
My top pick prop firm would be, I'm gonna say Funded Pro. And I'm gonna tell you why. They have the demo side of the server. When you go live, it's still demo side server, right? And that's good because there's low slippage, really no slippage, and you have no manipulation really going on. Now, I also like FTMO due to the fact they've been here since day one. They never left. Now, I don't feel like they are going to leave.
No, I ain't going nowhere.
They're the vets, so they understand how it operates. And I know they have the capital to pay if somebody was to do $1 million trade or $1 million month. You know what I'm saying? And then my third one, I don't really have a third one right now because there's a lot of other ones out there. I'm still trying to figure those out, right? But I would say the third one would be any prop firm where if you were to get in a trade on a demo account, you know the slippage or the commissions was low, it's got to be the same in the live side. Because if it's not, then I ain't fucking with it.
I realized
so y'all
that too.
pay attention to that.
Yeah, I realized that what you just said too. That's key. Like you said, demo. They know about demo, but we talked about this off camera. But like real server, live server, that matters. Like you said, like even when you put on the real server, you're still not on the live server. You're still like somewhat in a simulated market. People don't know that, but you're somewhat still on a demo server. People think that like, oh, I'm on the real. No, if they don't say live, then like you said, you're still within those parameters, you know. Yeah. So when you go on that live server, you're dealing with some real stuff. You're in the market with the real sharks at that point in time. But when it comes to real server and demo, you're still trading simulated.